Alright, time to watch some One Punch Man.
だったらこっちも切り札を使うぜ。必殺マジシリーズマジ殴り。
He just punched a star.
He actually managed to overpower a star exploding. I don't even have enough of an understanding of astronomy to even sling together a logarithmic function based on this interaction. A logarithm is a unique way of contriving an equation to find a missing exponent. For example, we've all seen b of x equals y to define graphs that kind of look like this or this. And this equation is the exact same as the previous one, but this is how you find the missing exponent if you're trying to solve for it. And the way that you convert the equation on the left to the equation on the right is by taking the number that the exponent is attached to and putting it into the subscript next to the log, which is known as the base. Then you take the y and you put that over into the equation next to the log, and you set the exponent equal to everything else. For example, if we look at 10 squared equals 100, and we refer back to the previous method of changing the equation into a logarithmic form, we can see that log base 10 of 100 equals 2, meaning that 10 needs to be raised to the power of 2 to equal 100. You may be wondering why I was so fixated on stars at the start of this video. The reason for that is because astronomers use logarithms all the time to come up with these huge scientific notations that tell us about space and its entities. For example, the star Vega is located approximately 25.05 light years away from Earth. Now, 1 light year is approximately 5.871 trillion miles, or 9.461 trillion kilometers. Now, if I plug in log base 10 times 5.871 trillion, I'll get a number around 12.7687120803776663. However, if we multiply this number by 25.05, then we're going to get the actual distance of Vega in miles. Yes! But we can use these numbers to create a scientific notation by simply dividing 25.05 by 10 and increasing the exponent by 1, which will then end up with this exponent. Logarithms are used for so many different things, like laying out the Richter scale, decibel levels, acidity, radioactive decay, apparent and absolute magnitudes, interest rates, and so many more. If you take just a small amount of time to look into what logarithms are used for, you may find out how they actually affect your everyday life.